The people this contestant and to be taught welcome back my YouTube video. So guys, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि यूट्यूब पर सक्सेस कैसे हो पाते हैं। डेट आई थिंक कि सक्सेस होने के लिए व्हाट इज डेट दिस इज नो फॉर व्हाट आई हैव यू पीपल दिस इज द ब्राइट थिंक फॉर व्हाट मी फॉर विदाउट इज इकोनॉमी एंड वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि यूट्यूब पर जो है सक्सेस कैसे हो पाते हैं। डेट आई होप कि इस वीडियो को पूरा लास्ट तक देखिएगा। तो चलिए आज की इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो गाइस, होता है कि कभी कभी ऐसे लगता है, बट आई थिंक सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। डेट आई वाज टू फॉर देन द एयर फॉर पीपल that I have you be to me for you that I think people this is know for what I mean for that another to me for you I have been to that this is the again for uh, this is that think is to me for without what is so something people this is here for bright that people here for bright to me for without think is no me for what I think people this is there anywhere to me for people that how you something is not people there in you people that nothing is to know me for what I think that is not for what that you for nothing people there here for what you become me for that I hope the here for what think is this is this is for the fair right to think is to फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। डेट आई थिंक पीपल द वाज वी हैव बीन टू यू टू दिस नो फॉर व्हाट आई थिंक कि जब भी सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है। बट आई थिंक क्या क्या चीज़ें जो है ज़रूरी है। बट you people this is how can you for nothing is where to can you me for without think is to for this is the, another people there for about that I think so सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि सक्सेस किस तरह से हो पाते हैं। डेट आई थिंक कि सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। एक्चुअली आई थिंक व्हाट इज डैट प्रॉपर इस वीडियो को पूरा फुल वॉच करना है। डैट इस चैनल पे नए आए हो तो चैनल को लाल वाला बटन है उसको क्लिक करो और साथ ही में बेल आइकन के बटन को क्लिक जरूर करो ताकि जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड होगा तो सबसे पहले तुम लोगों को देखने को मिलेगी। तो चलिए आज की इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि डैट आई थिंक पीपल आई होप I was we have become so think for what I that something where to me for without you what I this is not for became so for what me for without to this is not to you air for what I think people to air for then another to air for what think for what me for you people that then the was here have you here back me for that another to how can to you that something is people the will have you been to be that you can to me for can't to without do me for you that this is the people they are here for what I think people here for nothing is people here I want to think is for you then another something is for bright to फ्रेंड्स गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ कि But I think to me tell me for you another people, this is the people here for what I think is this again to you for me without you, this you here for what I this you can to me for without that people, how can you to for me this is to me for you people that the air for was how can to me for bill have you the was air for we have to how can to me for you about that the air for was I hope can to me for you that पता है जैसे कि अ, इस किसी भी तरह से what is that think is to me for you what think to me for you about what think I have you been to me for you another people that I was we have people this is we have not people have you become me for you without that I people that is the air for what is the air is not right to think is to me for that हाय गाइस वेलकम टू माय वीडियो दैट आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ थिंक सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या अगर क्या जरूरी पड़ेगा बट जरूरी से पहले क्या जरूरी दैट इज टू इकोनॉमी फॉर व्हाट आई थिंक कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो है दिस इज द creator for another people this is and about for again to me for without this is hope again to you this right for again that people that was I hope what is that think is economy for you I have will to me for you will to me for you that another to so come back nothing people something is bright to me tell me for you about that I think this is can't to me for without to know that I think people that there for was I think you can for hi guys to me for you that आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि सक्सेस होने के लिए बट आई थिंक क्या जरूरी पड़ेगा और उसके लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है डैट आई थिंक पीपल द एयर आई वाज वी हैव टू मी फॉर यू डैट you people there for we came to me for without to this economy for what about that another to me for you people this is the air for what I think you have been to you for what I think that economy for what is that to me for you that another you have been to me for that what is something is not better wrong is to me for that I think I can know me for what the another people this is the this for what think is know me for about that I was we have been to have economy for what I think air and to be about that people this is about where to we can't to this is not this for you that was I hope people the air for what I think is where to be for people the air for what I came to for you have to me for about that people how this is how know me for about that the air for what I think people the what people this is not what air for people something is not how can to me for you without think is economy for what you people this is the air for what I think you have been will to before without think is to what is that is not bright to economy how air will to people this air for that think something is not think for दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ कि सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। एक्चुअली सक्सेस होने के लिए क्या चीज़ करना पड़ता है, बट आई थिंक और भी कुछ ज़रूरी चीज़ें सीखने हैं। तो इस चैनल को लाल वाला बटन है उसको दबा करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और साथ ही में बेल आइकन के बटन को क्लिक करो, ताकि जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड होगा तो सबसे पहले तुम्हारे मोबाइल पे देखने को मिलेगी। तो चलिए आज की इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। I hope that is know me for what I tell me for that another the air for what I think people this is where to me for where you air for what that I hope I have to me for what that air you for how air you that another this is for this that is not that for you can't to for about where another to me for people this is not people another to this is to me for about that the air people the was people that something we is not to for this is not this is for that another two before what I think I hope that you air for where to another though was we have been air to for you that another to know me for what I think people this is where to air for what you people that think is economy for bright। आई होप कि आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा। तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और इस चैनल पे आए हो तो चैनल वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर लाइक शेयर कमेंट जरूर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।